Hey Dave, I was just doing a quick recap from we talked about what we talked about. We made this file. We right clicked on it. This is what it looks like from my end, by the way, and deleted it. No, no, we didn't. We went into it. We double clicked on it, and then we're editing. So if I click here or double click, it selects a word. Don't mind what's going on here. This is a little bit different than Notepad++. But anyways, so we click on something and then shift, I'm holding on the shift key and click to select or right click to copy and paste. So I don't have anything selected, so I have to select and then right click, copy, and then if I wanted to I could paste or spell check and then close. So mine automatically saves. Bad example. Oh, here was the other example. I went to this website here, and it has, I believe, this is your environment. Does that look familiar? So this is what your statistic data looks like. Looks a lot like an Excel spreadsheet. Are these the things? Yeah, that's what you're talking about. So the data set. So this is the computer desktop, right? And then inside of a folder, so we could make a folder on the desktop. So by just right clicking and say new, let's see, so get that, come on, come on. All right, here we go. New folder, and then what is it? Sample data. S A M P L E D A T A dot S A V. Okay. Why isn't it staying up there? Oh, here we go. So that's a folder called sample.dave, and it's saved on the desktop. So this is the desktop, and if I scroll up to here on desktop, and then I should be able to, hold on a second, let me get a scroll bar here. There it is. So I can see all of my folders. So folder at the top, where is it? Sample, where is it? Sample Dave, save. Sample data.save. Actually, I want to make mine SATA.dave just because I can. And then I can see, there it is. So inside of that is where you would place things. Just like we did on the desktop, you could just right click and you could make a new file of some sort. So let's make it so you can see it on screen. So right click and do a new, and let's make a Microsoft Word file, and we'll call this Dave's Words. And if we go into Dave's Words by double clicking, there's nothing in there. So let's put something in there. I'm going to grab some text here from some document on my computer, and I'm going to right click and copy it, and then I'm going to pull this off to the side and right click and paste options. Okay, so save formatting or not. So if you want to have it just straight text or whatever, I'm just going to paste. You know what I usually do is I just click out here and I pull down the control key, that's the lower left corner, and hit the V, and it just pastes it, and I don't have to worry about making those decisions. But if that's a critical issue, you can certainly do that. So I have this text saved, and then what I'll do is, and I don't know what version you've got, but you can do an RTF, even though, what's this thing called? It's called Dave's Words .doxt. but I'm going to do a save as, and I'm going to put it on my computer, somewhere on my computer. Actually, if I pull this up here, I see browse. So I'm going to click on browse, and this is what my computer looks like. So I can actually do this drop down, and one of the options is RTF. Let's see if I can pull this high enough so you can see the options for RTF. Yep, there it is, rich text format. And I'm going to save it. So it doesn't look like I'm in a different application at all. It's saved to .rtf right here in Microsoft Word. And if for some reason I wanted to read this RTF in with a different application other than Microsoft Word, I could right click and open with, let's see, open with, send to, open share with, no, open, give me the option before open with, no, open, it's with Word. How about edit? Right click, edit, same thing. Share with, send to, I wonder where the open with option is. I'm going to try by holding the control key down and right clicking, share with new properties. It's seeing the option I want. Anyways, this is the other thing I do is change the extension, but I'm not going to worry about it. I think those are the things that you're needing right now, right? That's for the Dave or the save file. Frequencies. Oh, that was what I copied. So this is the syntax editor, and these are some more commands here. File open data, file print. And this is what the icon is for it. File print. Control Z to undo. So if you hit the word edit, so there's no word edit in here. Let's see, file. Oh, I'd have, okay, so this is the, let's open this up. And then we'll see, where's edit? So you don't see edit up here. Save as for back. So I'm going to go back. There's usually an edit, but right click brings them all. Oh, that's one of the things that you said that you were having trouble finding where that is, and so we discovered that the right click brought up a lot of those things. So if you select something, you could edit. And what's this window wanting us to do with this? I'm going to close that. File print or edit print. I'm going to bring up a different document that should have, let me think, send to notepad. No, let me open up a I'm going to create a TXT, Dave.txt, and then open this. Now, even though this isn't the same application, you do see file, edit, and these are pretty standard things right here, edit, search. So file is where you would do a save as. So file, save, open, save as, and then there's a whole bunch of history crap down there. There's also the edit. Edits where there's the cut, copy, paste, convert case. This is, like I said, this is an app you don't have on your computer. But edit. One thing I wanted to mention about when you click on file print, the print feature basically is what it's going to do is take the contents of your document, formatted to whatever you know, like if I was going to send it to my printer, it would know that it's going to print, you know, colored pictures, text, whatever, and it would put it on an 8.5 by 11 page. You know, unless I changed something about it, right? But if you send it to a something else, like you could send it to a PDF, or you know, these other types of file formats. Oh, here we go, PDF. Or you could send it as a fax, and what it would do is it would format it to that device. The device being a fax machine, a device, or the Adobe PDF is a very popular format, much like the RTF. This PDF is very compatible, probably as compatible as the RTF, although you need, yeah, so anyways, it would format it for whatever device you're sending it to. Printer, okay. So, all right, I'm going to stop there, and if you have questions, let me know. Take care, Dave.